The Train Journey by Razlina Razali. The train swiftly glides along the track, heading forward, passengers in place. By the window, I sit with everything in check, eagerly waiting for the final station to embrace. As the train finally gains its pace, chatters around me start to fade. I'm lost in my thoughts, a daydreamer's space, my favorite part of the journey, my quiet place. To some, this trip feels mundane. Why take the train? We have cars and planes. But my friend, this is my time to reflect, to ponder, to wonder, and to reconnect. Like the train, life takes us through different terrains. Some scenes are filled with colors and greenery. Others are dull and seemingly empty. However, each is unique, a sight to be seen, a chapter on its own, with lessons in between. Embrace each stop with patience, trust each turn with full realization. No matter how far this journey, we'll find our way and reach the destination. Life is a journey, not a race. So, enjoy your ride with faith and grace.